Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Chevrolet Aveo. This particular model is 2010 and the engine size is 1.4. The issue we have here is that the engine management light is on, and so when we did the diagnostic it came out with the temperature sensor. So just going to take you to the temperature sensor. Let me just turn the light on. Right, so the location for the temperature sensor on this Chevrolet is just here. So this is the temperature sensor here. So we're going to change it with the new one. Here is the new temperature sensor. So it has come with the new O-ring. So we got this one from our local auto part shop for a very reasonable price. So the way we're going to remove the temperature sensor is we're gonna remove the connector first. So let me just bring the camera here. Right, so the way we're gonna remove the temperature sensor is there's a clip on this side here. Just gonna press it and pull the connector off. There we go. So it's this clip here, you just push it down. So in order to remove the sensor, we're gonna use a long nose plier and we're gonna pull this tab here. So just gonna pull it. This is the tab we're gonna pull all the way up. There we go. So that's the tab out of the way. Just gonna place it here on the side and just gonna pull the temperature sensor in this manner. Okay, there we go. So that's the temperature sensor out of the way. Here is the new temperature sensor. Right, here comes our new temperature sensor. I've taken it out of the packaging. So just gonna take it down there and I'm gonna push it all the way in this manner. Okay. There we go, that's the sensor fully home. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to drive in this clip. So the clip goes from the top. There we go. So what I did is I pushed the clip all the way down like this. That's the clip fully home and the sensor is fully in place. So the next what we're going to do is we're going to fit this harness connector. There we go. So the way harness connector gets fitted in is the clip facing towards the cabin, towards the back in this manner. Just gonna place it in here like this. Okay, so just gonna push the connector all the way in. There we go, friends. That's the new temperature sensor nicely been fitted on this Chevrolet Aveo. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.